Yo, good morning. How's it going? So a lot's been going on. Been pretty busy, covered a lot of different topics. So to kind of introduce it, let's just have some random jump cuts. Oh well, that wasn't the clip I intended for y'all to see at all. Apparently, my jump cut machine it's slightly on the fritz. It's seen better days, so we're gonna have to put that one down for a little bit and then just do this live. So I've been looking into manufacturing and then looking into like injection molding and casting parts, this, that, or the other. I tried to set up a small casting and I ran into some physical limitations of my rig, which was a little unfortunate but manageable. Right now I'm doing some background research on some advanced manufacturing techniques to see if I can possibly make some of those machines in my house. It's obviously quite a bit of a challenge. It's kind of taking me a little bit to work on. In the meantime, I'm kind of trying to upgrade this guy, which you can kind of see here and there. Basically, like I said, I really like this design, and I keep having people, especially when now I've got like this new color palette set up, come up to me and tell me they like it, ask me about it, and I'm like, okay, cool. So this does like aesthetically, it works. Physically, the thing, definitely works, right? Like it's good there. The time to install right now is it's about 1 minute to 90 seconds after you get used to it, right? And taking it off is like quick, like 10-second process basically, more or less, right? So that part of it works. But before I take this product out into like the market or whatever, I wanted to have like a latch system so that you could take it on and off just like by just pushing it a little bit, right? Because sometimes when I shower, I want to have it off of me, and I take it off my wrist probably about every other night, like when I go to bed. And again, like 1 minute to rewrap, and then one minute to like 90 seconds to rewrap once you're used to it, and then whoa, 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 hold the train. So, what does this have to do with Red Aviva's Crafter and recycling cardboard? Because you're just like going on a tangent there. Then, to answer that question, the commonality between these two things is manufacturing, right? I'm basically still working around the manufacturing processes and how to make the equipment that I need to be able to manufacture this stuff. And coincidentally, this is a lot less complicated to manufacture than Red Aviva's Crafter, right? And it's a project that I've worked on a good bit in the past, and I was like, you know what? Let me try to experiment with some of these materials and processes with this particular thing. So these are linked in the idea that I need to go from not understanding how to manufacture products to actually being able to manufacture products, and this being an easier way for me to start that process, just to kind of clear that up. Okay, I can already hear some of y'all thinking, what are the next steps for you, Johnny? Well, kind of research and testing, right? So I'm learning how to do manufacturing engineering and design. I'm learning how to make tools that make products. There's going to be a little bit of iteration on that. So like I said, the next couple of weeks are going to be devoted to that. So you'll probably see some interesting updates as I kind of like try stuff, see some things that didn't work out, see some things that did work out. So that's kind of the path I'm heading down. I'm sure there'll be a lot of entertainment in this process. And I know some of you at home are like, okay, wait a minute. So you're like coming up with the idea, you're testing it out, you're making different prototypes, yep. Then you're figuring out how to manufacture the thing and also how to make the materials to manufacture the thing. Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of a lot for just one person to take on. I do get that. But at the same time, I quit my job to do this, so I've got 7 days a week, 12 hours a day to just dedicate to solving these problems as they come up. And I kind of already have a few skills here or there, so I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna go try to run this thing down. I think it's totally achievable. It's gonna be hard. There's gonna be some back and forth on it, but it's a doable process. It's a process that will get us to the end product, which will be pretty neat. So I look forward to seeing Red Aviva's Crafter go up on Kickstarter. I look forward to seeing this thing getting figured out how to manufacture it, because I spent a lot of time messing around with it, but the manufacturing has always been kind of like the Achilles heel of that particular product. So I guess until next week, I hope you all have a good week, getting towards that Christmas time if you're watching this in real time. I hope you all make some time to spend with family and friends because it's important, and I'll see you later. Peace.